Hi, it's Aaron of Square Thunder. You're watching episode number 15 of Fast Logo Friday. Every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. The word today is litany, L-I-T-A-N-Y, and I'm going to use it to design a logo for a hip-hop artist. First, I'll start with sketching out some rough ideas on paper, and then I'll move into Illustrator and refine one of those concepts a little bit further. And finally, I'll wrap up by showing the logo in some design mockups so that we can see what it will look like in a real-world kind of context. Let's get started. So have you heard the word litany before? You know what it means? Do you know where it comes from? It originates from an old Greek word, litany, which means entreaty. It's literally a type of prayer where there's a series of lines that are read alternately between a leader and the congregation. It dates back to about the 13th century, and over the next 700 years or so, it developed a few additional figurative meanings, so not just the prayer. First of all, it took on a notion of kind of a repetitive chant, because that's really how the litany was read. Then it came to mean a lengthy recitation. Eventually, the word came to mean a lengthy series or a large set, a repetitive set. So we have expressions like a litany of excuses or a litany of clichés. So is litany a new word for you? Let's see how you can use it this week. If you want to see more Fast Logo Friday, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and ring the bell if you want to get notifications of future episodes. I love to interact with you in the comments down below, so make sure you type something down there and I'll be in touch. If there's something that I can design for you to help you look more awesome, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can find us at squarethunder.com. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.